Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to schedule a rideshare mechanic video inspection. We will also put useful links in the description below. To start, open the website ridesharemechanic.com. Then click on Schedule an Inspection. Now enter your first name, last name, email address, phone number, zip, city, and state. After entering, click on the tick box beside I'm not a robot. Then click on Submit. Next, enter the zip code or postal code you'll be driving or lending in. Then click on the button that says Check Availability. After that, select a service. Choose from the options provided. On this page, pick a date in 1 hour window for your appointment. After selecting, click on the button that says Schedule Appointment Window. Lastly, enter your home address. Fill in all the required fields. After entering, click on Confirm Appointment. That's how you schedule a rideshare mechanic video inspection. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.